It's a windy day. It's a windy day outside. And it is a windy day outside. It's a windy day. It's a windy day. It's windy today, so we can't go outside to play. It's rainy, it's rainy, it's rainy today. Out on the windowsill there's marker, because it is window mark. And it is so, but it's a windy day. Windy and it was pouring rain. This is Saturday. Mom's going to work. It's the Saturday of March. With Charlotte's here. Today we went to John and Young's. It was today. It was today, and it's fun. But let's go outside anyway, because I like wind and my little sister's sleeping. Do you want to see what the next video is? Yeah. Record off the message, please.